Hello everyone and welcome to the Top Foreign channel. I'm going to show you how you can earn 10 over and over within the comfort of your own home in this video. It's so easy to get started with this income earning system, anyone can do it, and it takes just minutes to set up like most of the other methods I post on this channel. This method works anywhere in the world. This method will work wherever you are, so you don't have to worry about setting up a VPN. In this video, I'll show you how to use this platform to start earning, and you can continue earning for years to come. It's one of the best methods available today, so make sure to pay close attention to every single second because this is one of the newest methods you can use today. There is a lot of buzz online about cryptocurrency, so do not miss out on this opportunity. Cryptocurrencies are one of the hottest topics online these days. Several people have discussed how lucrative the cryptocurrency can be and how much potential it currently has. When you start with cryptocurrency, you usually create an account and invest, but you won't need to deposit any cash. In this article, I will show you how to generate money with the cryptocurrency trend without investing in it. This website will allow you to earn hundreds of dollars every day without making any monetary investments and without using any cryptocurrencies. In a few minutes, I will show you how to do it. This platform has a feature that lets you earn $10 repeatedly. It is my intention to show you how you can maximize this feature so you can make the most of it. I'll go into some more details later on, so pay close attention because this is a fantastic method for generating income, so you don't want to miss it. You can access this website by clicking on the address bar and typing in www.blockfi.com. If you follow this link, you will be directed to this website right here. Some of you already know this website, or maybe you have seen it in another video. For those of you who are first-time users, you can see that this is the future of finance. With BlockFi, you can earn up to 8.6% interest on cryptocurrency, buy or sell crypto without any hidden fees, and no minimum balance is required. People from around the world have been using this platform for years, and this is no surprise because it offers an 8.6% interest rate, which is a great deal. In other words, you can earn $8.6 from a $100 investment after a year, and you can earn around $86 by investing about $1,000. If you would like more information on this platform, please don't hesitate to contact me. The platform has a lot of information on its homepage itself about how it works, so if you want a more detailed explanation of how it works, you can take a look at their website. To give you a better understanding, let me give you a quick overview. On their website, they have a calculator that can give you an estimate of how much you will earn if you invest 1 Bitcoin on this site. Let's say someone invests 1 Bitcoin. It is estimated that you could earn $4,692 in interest per year after 10 years with this calculator. However, this calculator will not guarantee that you will earn that much because it depends on how much cryptocurrency you have in your portfolio from time to time, but you can use this calculator to provide a ballpark figure on BlockFi so you can make instant trades at immediate interest at low cost. It would be great to hear from you guys if you have cryptocurrencies or are thinking of getting them. Please let me know in the comments down below how your cryptocurrency journey has gone. Anyway, I always enjoy your stories, and sharing your experience may also inspire others. Now, another great thing about BlockFi is that they offer services to people with any level of expertise. The goal of BlockFi is to provide expert service managers to help clients with any questions they may have, whether they are new to crypto or have been doing this for years. So that's a brief overview of what BlockFi does. For more information, check out their institutional services, as they have a variety of lending and borrowing financing options for every kind of business, and so many more things that will inform you about BlockFi. Okay, so we're going to head to the very top of the webpage, and on the website header, if you mouse over services, you'll see that there are 3 options that drop down. You have institutional services, affiliates, and refer a friend. So we're going to click on the refer a friend service. That's going to lead you to this page right over here. So this works like most other refer a friend services. For every person that signs up using your referral code, you You and that person can both earn $10 from a referral if they deposit $100 or more into their BlockFi interest account. So it's important that you get your referral link in front of people who are interested or targeted at the end of that link, so they will be able to take advantage of the $10 from that link. On top of that, they'll also be getting $10 from their referral. They are going to be able to earn with one of the highest interest rates available for cryptocurrency. It's pretty much a win-win situation. Now, what are the steps to avail of this service? It can be done in 3 steps. First, you need to sign into your BlockFi dashboard. Next, you'll need to press the Refer Friend button on the top right. Finally, have your friends register for an account using the URL. Moreover, after 5 referrals, you will start getting $20 off of additional referrals. Furthermore, after the referred friend makes their qualifying deposit, he or she will keep earning $10 bonus. In order to generate passive income, you will not need to constantly monitor on every single little detail of the progress, as there is a way to set this up so that it will automatically start earning. As soon as I have covered all of that, I will show you how to open an account on BlockFi. This is free, guys, so you don't have to make any deposits to do it. To open an account, simply click on the Open Your Account button or click on the Get Started button. You will be taken to the sign up page right here once you click on the button. Once you have filled out all of the required information, please make sure you are 18 or older. Following that, you will verify the catch path and click Submit so that once you have your account, you can get your referral link. Now, let's talk about how you can distribute your referral link to those who are most likely to use your referral. The reason I refer to specific targeted individuals is that they are the individuals most likely to use your name. So for method number 1, it does require a bit of effort, but it's definitely effective because you don't have to worry about maintaining any kind of performance or anything like that, since you only need to do the work once, so you don't have to worry about that. With method number 1, you're going to use YouTube to get your referral link out to your targeted individuals. All you'll do is create a cryptocurrency-related video. This can be inserted into your video description box, as well as you don't need to make any video recordings if you do not want to. You can always just record an informative voiceover with an image or video to go along with it. The YouTube cryptocurrency videos get a lot of views, so that means many people are interested in this topic. It is these interested people that are most likely to use your referral link, and the cool thing about this method is that you are almost set after you post the video with your passive income stream, because if you post a video on YouTube, it's on YouTube, so people everywhere around the world will be able to access it. So even years down the road, new people might be interested in watching it. And then we might use your referral link, and that is the end of the video. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when we post new content on this channel, and don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.